One day, Monkey walks into his favorite banana shop. Monkey picks one delicious banana. "That'll be 10 leaves," says shopkeeper Monkey. Monkey smiles. "No problem." Monkey pays. Monkey eats banana. Life is good. The next week, Monkey comes back. "This banana is 12 leaves." Monkey blinks. "Wait, last week it was only 10. The week after, 15 leaves. Then 18 leaves. Then 22 leaves. Monkey checks his wallet. "My leaves are disappearing. What is happening?" Welcome to inflation. Inflation simply means that prices go up over time. When inflation happens, the same amount of leaves buys fewer bananas. Monkey's money becomes less valuable. But why does this happen? Let's start with something simple. Imagine there is only one banana in the entire jungle. Thousands of hungry monkeys want it. One monkey offers 20 leaves. Another offers 50. A rich monkey offers 100. The price keeps rising because everyone wants something that is rare. Now imagine the opposite. Every tree in the jungle is full of bananas. Millions of bananas. Every monkey already has more bananas than they can eat. Nobody is rushing to buy them. So banana prices fall. This teaches Monkey an important rule. When something is rare, it usually becomes more expensive. When something is common, it usually becomes cheaper. This is called supply and demand. Supply is how much of something exists. Demand is how many monkeys want it. High demand plus low supply usually means higher prices. Low demand plus high supply usually means lower prices. Simple. But inflation doesn't always happen because monkeys buy too many bananas. Sometimes the problem starts with banana farmer Monkey. Every day, Monkey grows thousands of bananas. Everything is going well. Until one morning, fertilizer becomes more expensive. Water costs more. Workers ask for higher pay. Fuel for delivery becomes expensive. Even banana seeds cost more. Now banana farmer Monkey has a problem. If Monkey keeps selling bananas for the old price, Monkey loses leaves. Nobody likes losing leaves. So Monkey raises the price of bananas. Not because Monkey is greedy, but because growing bananas costs more than before. This is called cost-push inflation. When businesses spend more money making products, customers usually pay higher prices. But there's another type of inflation. Imagine every monkey wakes up tomorrow and finds 1,000 extra leaves outside their treehouse. Everyone feels rich. Sounds amazing, right? Not really. Every monkey rushes to buy bananas, but the jungle still grows the same number of bananas as yesterday. There are more leaves, but not more bananas. Shopkeeper Monkey notices. Every monkey suddenly has lots of leaves. I think I can charge more. So banana prices go up. Other shops do the same. The bananas didn't become better. The leaves simply became less valuable. This is called monetary inflation. More money, same amount of products, higher prices. Now imagine something even crazier. Bananas become so expensive that monkey government decides to help. We'll print more leaves. Every monkey gets extra leaves. Everyone is happy for about 5 minutes, because everyone spends those new leaves. Demand goes up again. Banana prices go up again. Government prints even more leaves. Prices rise again. Government prints even more leaves. Soon one banana costs hundreds of leaves, then thousands, then millions.
Monkeys need wheelbarrows full of leaves just to buy lunch. This is called hyperinflation. Money loses value so fast that prices can change every day. Eventually, nobody trusts the leaves anymore. Monkey government might even replace the leaves with a brand new currency. Maybe sticks, maybe banana coins, anything monkeys trust again. Luckily, most countries never experience hyperinflation. Usually, inflation is much smaller. But it still affects everyone. Imagine monkey earns 100 leaves every week. Bananas cost 10 leaves. Life is comfortable. Next year, bananas cost 11 leaves, but monkey still earns only 100 leaves. Now, monkey can buy fewer bananas than before. Without realizing it, monkey became poorer. Not because anyone stole monkey's leaves, but because each leaf buys less. Now imagine monkey gets a raise. Monkey now earns 110 leaves. Bananas also cost 11 leaves. Nothing really changes. Monkey's income increased at the same speed as inflation. But imagine monkey earns 130 leaves while bananas still cost 11. Now monkey can buy more bananas. Monkey's income grew faster than inflation. That's good. The real danger isn't that prices go up. It's when prices go up faster than monkey's income. That's when life becomes harder. Food costs more. Rent costs more. Fuel costs more. Everything feels more expensive. Can inflation be stopped completely? Not really. A small amount of inflation is actually normal. It encourages businesses to invest. People spend money. Companies hire workers. The economy keeps moving. The goal isn't zero inflation. The goal is keeping inflation under control. Not too high, not too low. So, what should monkey do? Don't panic every time prices rise. Keep improving your skills so your income can grow too. Save wisely. And, if possible, invest your leaves into things that can grow over time. Because if monkey's money grows faster than inflation, future bananas become much easier to afford. So, hopefully monkey now understands inflation, why everything becomes more expensive, why monkey's leaves sometimes buy less, and why printing more leaves doesn't magically make everyone rich. If monkey learned something today, hit the subscribe button. It's completely free, unlike bananas, which will probably cost more next week. Thanks for watching. Now, go enjoy your banana.